Want to go from this to this, but think it's hard and will cost a lot? Want to use AI but don't know how to write prompts? Still using these basic images for poster design? Don't worry, SellerPic is here to help. As the AI visualization tool for e-commerce pros, just upgraded with Halloween scene magic template. Upload methods are super flexible, with 3 options to choose from. 1. Upload image. Avoid uploading product images with unnecessary obstructions or unedited blurry originals. Remember, prioritize clear, clutter-free images, no messy backgrounds. The adjustment features in the bottom left corner are also user-friendly. Switch models with 1 click. Adjust image ratios to fit different platforms, or set the number of images to generate at once. Click Use to start generation. Click Compare to see the original product image and the poster. Zoom in on the poster, and you'll see crisp details. The Halloween-themed packaging texture of hand cream is clear. The mini pumpkin decorations and warm light accents beside it stay sharp. Click Hands to adjust the canvas's location. Switch the selection to choose and move the image. There are 3 different tools available here: Free Draw, Arrow, and Text. You can also upload the images or logos you want to add right here. And drag the image right to where you'd like it to be. Box select all assets, click Add to Chat below to display them, then type your needs. In the bottom corner, there are multiple models to choose. You can also adjust the image ratio and the number of generated images. Now we can see the logo has been automatically cut out from its background and added to the designated position. You can also click the text function here, enter the copy you want to add, then box select it and click Magic Generate below to create it with 1 click. If you run into issues, click the triangular icon in the top right corner to submit feedback. If satisfied, download directly in 3 formats. Simply click here to schedule posts to both your social media and Shopify store. It's super easy and quick. Ditch stress from boring Halloween daily essential posters and overpaying designers for tweaks. SellerPic's Halloween scene magic lets you create viral posters in minutes, highlighting your product's festivity. Log in at www.sellerpic.ai. Use the template to make basics Halloween ready and stand out.